Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to change how your voice sound on Discord, you can just download any voice changer apps on your phone. You can start by going to the Play Store. In here, click on the search button and then just type in voice changer. Then you can just find any voice changer apps that you want. For example, here I'm going to use this voice mode soundboard. You can tap on install and then just wait until the downloading and installing process is finished for the apps. Okay, so now it's finished downloading and now it's installing. Let's just wait again until it's successfully installed on your device. Okay, so now the app has been installed. You can tap on open and see this is the voice mode app. Okay, so you can just search or select the voice that you want in here. For example, I'm going to use let's try this one. You can hear the result first, or let's try the baby. Can click on only this time, so you need to connect your headphone to hear your voice in real time. So you can just select the voice first and then go back to this Discord apps on your phone, and in here you need to go to settings. So click on the U options and click on settings. Click on the gear icon at the top, scroll down until you find this voice option. You can tap on that, and here for the input mode you need to change it into the voice mode, and after that for the output you need to also change it into headphone or headset. So that's all for me. That's how you can change voice in Discord. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.